Good evening, UK. We are back again today on Friday at 8 p.m. with you, and we are bringing you today the topic for our songs is रेन एंड रोमांस। बारिश में तो सभी रोमानी हो जाते हैं, तो क्यों ना आज इस बारिश के मौसम में कुछ बारिश के और कुछ रोमांस के गाने सुने। हमारा पहला गाना जो आज हम पेश करेंगे वो बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि वो डोगरी और कश्मीरी का मैशअप है, जिसमें दोनों you will listen to both the languages together in one song. In the Dogri version, the girl is singing पल भर बई जाना कोल राती रही जाना ओ जिंदा. It is about she's asking her lover to stay with her tonight, to be with her tonight, stay for a while, and that's what she's requesting him. And in the
Yeah,
Kashmiri
hello,
version,
namaste Lalit. Good to see you again, and we are back with Kashmiri and Dogri songs. Yeah, this song is really nice, sung by Rahul Wanchu in Kashmiri and Harmeet Kaur in Dogri. So
yeah,
the lyrics in Kashmiri are the same as you said in Dogri. So again, it's asking the beloved to stay back for the night because he's missing her. But I think the mashup is really nice. The way they have coordinated both the
language.
languages. So let's hear the mashup.
Here we go with the Dogri and Kashmiri mashup.
पल पर बेजाना ओ जिंदे राती रे जाना ओ जिंदे पल पर बेजाना ओ जिंदे ओ जिंदे
यार दो नार खत जालान कोहतिवन वसिए यारसवन तलैलती यारसवन खार में थोनम सुई चुंदर बदन वसिए यारसवन तलैलती यारसवन दूर छुम्बाल यार यमै तीर लायान हूर छस वेतरावन दूर छुम्बाल यार यमै तीर लायान हूर छस वेतरावन सूर पर सलूं यार मन वित्सु अंतम वसिए यारसवन तलैलती यारसवन तलैलती यारसवन
the next song is really special for us, isn't it, Ladit? Do you
Yeah.
remember last year on Republic's Day, we
Independence
had a
Day.
stall. Oh, it's Independence Day. Sorry, we had a stall in London, and just out of blue, someone approached us and said, approached me, I think first. Do you want to do a Kashmiri song? And Kashmiri dance on the stage because all the different regions were presenting their dance. So I was like, I was the only, I think I was we were just two of us from Kashmir. But for that particular song, you need three or four, three and or four or five people. So Lalit, so I asked you, and you just jumped and you said, okay, why not? Let's do it.
Yeah.
That was so nice. And we had Sana as well. And we did this roof on a stage with this song. And it was really well liked, and we had a
Yeah.
really, really nice time. It was totally impromptu. We hadn't practiced anything. So we just went on stage, and everybody was really enthusiastic. It's a nice dance, Rof, where you all get together and you dance to the tunes. So this is the song we dance to. So it's a very special song for both of us. So
In,
let's hear the song. Mashok, Bashok Chonchu Mashok Myani.
Miane.
Yeah,
Very beautiful
I'm waiting
song.
waiting for my Mashok.
Yes, and it is even special as you said because we performed on it impromptu in 15 minutes, practice behind the stage. I think it was Raga Sudaji who organized us to come on stage and do it. So we have found more memories of this so lovely song. I hope you all will enjoy it as well.
Ashok chum chum, Ashok myane. Ashok chum chum, Ashok myane. Mil gomla nirjane sir. Ashok chum chum, Ashok myane. Ashok chum chum, Ashok myane. अश्क जो धई बुलबुल जाने, अश्क जो धई बुलबुल जाने, चमनस प्युरुई जाने सुर, चमनस प्युरुई जाने सुर, अश्क जो धई बुलबुल जाने, अश्क जो धई बुलबुल जाने, चमनस प्युरुई जाने सुर, चमनस प्युरुई जाने सुर, ताज गुल चावतो महाराज म्याने, ताज गुल चावतो महाराज म्याने,
that was lovely. Almost felt like dancing to Roof Again. It is so peppy that your feet almost start, going on its own. So dance करने को एकदम से मन कर जाता है. And since today we are talking about romance and rain, so अब हम आपको ले चलते हैं जम्मू में, जहाँ का कंडी इलाका जो है कंडी इलाका is the area which depends on rainfall for water. They do not have other sources of water. So what is this song about is Jammu diyan kandiyan barkha lagi. That means that in Jammu region जो कंडी इलाका है आज वहाँ बारिश हो रही है. तो इसके ऊपर ये ब्यूटीफुल रेन सॉन्ग है. आज क्योंकि लंदन में भी बारिश हो रही है, सो क्यों नहीं इसको एंजॉय करें कि वहाँ पर भी बारिश हो रही है. जम्मू दियाँ कंडियाँ बरखा लगी.
जम्मू दिया कंडिया बरखा लगी दी, जम्मू दिया कंडिया बरखा लगी दी, ते तारे पवै दे पाले ओ तेरी सो, तारे पवै दे पाले ओ शौकिया चंबे दिया. जम्मू दिया कंडिया बरखा लगी दी, ते तारे पवै दे पाले ओ तेरी सो, तारे पवै दे पाले ओ शौकिया चंबे दिया. जम्मू दिया कंडिया बरखा लगी दी, ते तारे पवै दे पाले ओ तेरी सो, तारे पवै दे पाले ओ शौकिया चंबे दिया. बदलू काले काले ओ तेरी सो, बदलू काले काले ओ शौकिया चंबे दिया. जम्मू दिया कंडिया बरखा लगी दी, ते तारे पवै दे पाले ओ तेरी सो, तारे पवै दे पाले ओ शौकिया चंबे दिया.
के ललित सच में जम्मू की बरसात याद आ गई। ठंडा ठंडा मौसम, कोठे पे सब लोग बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं बारिश के मौसम में। So really nice song, really peppy number, isn't it? The way
Yeah.
she sung it is really nice. So, so from that song, we'll now go to another Kashmiri song. It's a personal favorite of mine. It's sung by one of the leading Kashmiri singers, Kailash Mehra Sadhu. You might have heard of her. She's a very famous singer, and this song is a very special one. I first heard it when I was in Kashmir. I think I was around 10 years old. So that long, how long it's been. So it's really a song where the lady, she's asking her lover that she's going to have like a dawat in her house for him. Why is he upset with her? Why is he not coming and seeing her? So she's planning all these things for the lover so that he can come and spend some time with her. So it's a beautiful song along with a chorus of ladies. It's slightly slower than, because we've been hearing very peppy numbers till now, but it's nice in this cold, rainy season to hear some slow numbers sung very beautifully. So let's listen to the song Jana Nit Sale Kyachi Se Malale.
Nice. And a slow number, एक चाय की प्याली के साथ.
Yes, definitely.
जाना नीत साल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल जाना नीत साल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल दूरेर बनो चाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल दूरेर बनो चाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल हमार में छुमचोन के चारच कर म्योन के चारच कर म्योन के चारच कर म्योन के चारच कर म्योन हमार में छुमचोन के चारच कर म्योन के चारच कर म्योन के चारच कर म्योन नत मार मट खाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल नत मार मट खाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल क्या छुईचे मलाल छुईचे मलाल
या छुईचे मलालय या छुईचे मलालय
छमछन में माल क्या छुईचे मलाल
या छुईचे मलालय या छुईचे मलालय
That was nice. I'm sure the lover agreed and came for the दावत. अच्छी खासी फीस्ट हुई होगी इतना रोमांटिकली. अब इसके बाद हम भी थोड़ा सा जम्मू में जाते हैं और वहाँ पर भी थोड़ा सा रोमांस चल रहा है. ये जो अगला गाना हम ला रहे हैं इस गाने का नाम है सुन्ने दी पाखी चांदी दी झालर. What she is trying to tell, पाखी इज अ हाथ का पंखा जो हाथ से बनाते हो. करीब में चांदी का पंखा सॉरी सोने का पंखा है, चांदी की झालर है और मेरे मेरे बंगले पे तुम आ जाओ मुझे मिलके चले जाओ. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग, वेरी पेपी सॉन्ग. You would feel like dancing when you listen to this song. So it is a beautiful number. सुन्ने दी पाखी चांदी दी झालर.
Yeah. Good.
सुन्ने दी पखी चांदी दी झालर सुन्ने दी पखी पे चांदी दी झालर चंदन डंडी लो आई दिया चंदन डंडी लो आई दिया मेरिया पाखिया सजना तारा पर बंगलू को आई दिया तारा पर बंगलू को आई दिया
Dulari hai. She has decorated the house really nicely, hasn't she?
Yeah.
With Sone ka pankha and jhalar chandi ki. So I'm sure she has succeeded in enticing him back. So let's move on to another Kashmiri song. It's sung by Vijay Malla, who's another. He passed away a few years back, sadly, but was a very famous Kashmiri singer, well loved by all of us. And the song has been I've got it from a place called Ravi Mek Studios, who are kind of curating all Kashmiri songs now. So it's
Wow.
again it's because we are on the theme of romance and rain. So this is again a romantic song where the person is saying that I'm so enthralled by your looks. Please come and meet me. I'm so agitated. I'm so anxious and agitated. Your beautiful hair, your looks. When I think of that, I get really really anxious to see you. So he's really trying to, like in the Dogri song we just heard, where the lady was trying to entice him. Here it's exactly the opposite. The man is trying to ask her, mainly by pleading emotionally, that I'm so unhappy and anxious without you. Can you please come and visit me? So let's hear this song. Em hure menunam sure dil. That's the second line. That you are like a hoor, as a pari, and you have stolen my heart. Please come and see me.
Amyar karnas bambare, amyar karnas bambare, hure menuna suri dil, hure menuna suri dil, chum josh ashkun sundare, chum josh ashkun sundare, hure बल विश्वसवै बाकुनुई, बल विश्वसवै बाकुनुई, पोषण छ फुलया ब्युन ब्युनुई, पोषण छ फुलया ब्युन ब्युनुई, पोषण छ फुलया ब्युन ब्युनुई, व्यूर है गयम तुलरे, व्यूर है गयम तुलरे, हुरे मेनूना सूरी दिल, हुरे मेनूना सूरी दिल, छुम जोश अशकुन सुंदरे, छुम जोश अशकुन सुंदरे, हुरे मेनूना सूरी दिल, हुरे मेनूना सूरी दिल. बल विषमाल है लोग मुतुई, बल विषमाल है लोग मुतुई, आशकौ जाम छी रंगमती, आशकौ जाम छी रंगमती, आशकौ जाम छी रंगमती, नादार मालस क्या करे, नादार मालस क्या करे, पूरे मेनूना सूरी दिल, पूरे मेनूना सूरी दिल, छुम जोश सुंदरे छुम जो शशकुल सुंदरे पूरे मिनूना सूर्य दिल पूरे मिनूना सूर्य दिल ना क्या करयत आब से ना क्या करयत आब से लोग न्याम मंज इस्तराब से लोग न्याम मंज इस्तराब से लोग न्याम मंज इस्तराब से बेदार गचुह फिज घरे बेदार गचुह फिज घरे पूरे मिनूना सूर्य दिल पूरे मिनूना सूर्य दिल अमियर करना बाबरे अमियर करना बाबरे पूरे मिनूना सूर्य दिल पूरे मिनूना सूर्य दिल छुम जो शशकुल सुंदरे छुम जो शशकुल सुंदरे
Wow, that was nice. I'm sure that she must have agreed to him and she must have come to meet him. Lovely romantic song, especially in the background when there is rain. It makes it even more romantic. So it was a beautiful Kashmiri song. We are back to Jammu now, and the next song we're gonna listen is also about rain, and it goes like this: Tare tura piyan, kandiya payan barsala. And again in this one, it's saying that Tare is a like a cloud in the top, और वो टूट गया है और बारिशें हो रही हैं और इसमें कुछ सवाल पूछे जा रहे हैं जैसे इन वन प्लेस यास ओ तेरा के लगदा काली ये कमीज आला सो ही इज आस्किंग हु इज दैट इन ब्लैक शर्ट एंड हु what is he to you and she said he is my वो मेरा जेठ लगता देर लगता बड़े पाए दा साला so explaining the relationship. It's a beautiful fantastic song to listen to, very peppy again, good dance number. I hope you all will enjoy Tare Thoda Piyan Kandiya Piyan Barsala.
प्यार बरसाना ओ तेरा के लगदा कालिया कमीजे आला ओ तेरा के लगदा कालिया कमीजे आला ओ तेरा के लगदा कालिया कमीजे आला ओ मेरा देर लगदा बड़े पाए दा साला ओ मेरा देर लगदा बड़े पाए दा साला ओ मेरा देर लगदा बड़े पाए दा साला अरे थोड़ा पिया कंडिया पिया बरसाना तारे थोड़ा पिया कंडिया पिया बरसाना तारे थोड़ा पिया कंडिया पिया
बारिश के मौसम के लिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट गाना था, काफी नोक झोंक थी इस
हाँ।
गाने में. आई थिंक दे आर, आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड द फुल सॉन्ग बट आई थिंक माय डोगरी इज प्रीटी गुड एज वेल. तो ये एक दूसरे से नोक झोंक कर रहे हैं कि तू बारिश में आ जा, then somebody else is saying the same thing and trying to stop them from going out in the rain and things like that. Yeah, so very nice. It's raining here as well, and it's raining in Jammu as well, looks like, from the song. So that's really nice. So our next song is that we are going to play is a Kashmiri song. Well, today I think we have had a good mix of rain and romance. Yeah, so people trying to entice each other. So this one again is the person is telling his beloved that तू मुझसे रूठ के, जैसे हिंदी में गाना है ना, रूठ के न जाना. I've forgotten, there's a very famous Hindi song about रूठना and manana. So he's telling her कि तू मुझसे रूठ के, you know, my पोशे मदनो, that you are my, comparing her to a flower. That you are, तू मुझसे रूठ के चली गई है, you know, you are like a beautiful flower for me, please come back. So the song is Solhomo Roshe Roshe Valo Myani Poshe Madno. So it's slow song, but it's very sweet song. There's a lot of description of flowers and beauty and spring. No mention of rain though, but yeah, we've heard other songs of rain. So let's play Solhomo Roshe Roshe.
आई होप अब तक तो रूठे हुए को मना लिया होगा। जो भी रूठ के गया होगा अपनी माशूक से, ज़्यादा देर तो रूठे नहीं रह सकते। ब्यूटीफुल कश्मीरी सॉन्ग। आई एम श्योर दैट अब तो मान गए होंगे वो। सो नाउ मूविंग बैक टू द monsoons and the love and romance, we are back to Jammu's Dogri, and now we have a song which is very, very new and very, very special for a couple of reasons. Badli is the name of this song, and it goes like, सौन दी रिमझिम छाई बदली, कुसिदा सनेहा सनेड़ा ले आई बदली। सो सावन की रिमझिम बरसात हो रही है और किसी का संदेशा लेकर आई है ये बदली। इट इज स्पेशल बिकॉज इट हैज बीन sung by our Dogra siblings, brother and sister, Ruhi and Juhi Singh. They both are son and daughter of our famous Dogra singer Suraj Singh ji. And another special reason for this song to be very close to my heart is because it has been written by Kusum Antara Sharma ji from Udhampur. She's a fabulous poetess. वो डोगरी के लिए इतना खूबसूरत काम कर रही हैं, एक से एक खूबसूरत कविता और गाने वो लिखती हैं, और ये उनमें से एक गाना है। और इस सॉन्ग में जो इलस्ट्रेशंस है, जो इसका वीडियो है, वो उनकी बहुत ही टैलेंटेड बेटी मेधावी शर्मा ने बनाए हैं। And she's a fabulous, fabulous artist, and her hand and her drawings and paintings are amazing. So, all in all, this song is very special for whole Jammu region. Badli.
सोन दी रिमझिम छाई बदली
कुसदा सनेड़ा ले आई बदली
सोन दी रिमझिम छाई बदली
कुसदा सनेड़ा ले आई बदली छम छम करिए बरिया करिया छम छम करिए बरिया करिया
चेते कुसे दे नहीं आई बदली
चेते कुसे दे आई बदली
थोड़ा पैया थाए थाए
मोर भी नच दे जंगल चाड़े
थोड़ा पैया थाए थाए
मोर भी नच दे जंगल चाड़े मन चितगी पर माही बदली मन चितगी पर माही बदली
चेते कुसे दे नहीं आई बदली
चेते कुसे देली आई बदली
सखियां पैड़ा रल मिल आइया
उचड़े बूटे पिंगा लाइया
सखियां पैड़ा रल मिल आइया
उचड़े बूटे पिंगा लाइया बनी गए रौनक छाई बदली
चेते कुसे दे नहीं आई बदली चेते कुसे दे नहीं
कितना अच्छा गाना गाया है दोनों भाई बहन ने. Their parents must be so proud of him,
Yes.
of them, and the whole Jammu region. They have sung it so nicely with lot of emotions about the rain and the
Ji.
romance and all the song and dance that goes with it. Yeah, I really like the song, Lalit. So let's go to the next one, which is a slow number. Again, it's been sung by my favorite singer Hassan Sofi. He also has passed away. So in Kashmir, if, for people who don't know, lot of these romantic songs were not just romantic, but they were also devotional songs. So sometimes the wordings were slightly changed. So, for instance, the romantic song would be towards the beloved, but the devotional song, the same words would be for God. You know, so whatever God you worship. So this one, in this song, if you notice, although it's a romantic song, but he talks about a peer. So either so some of the interpretation of the peer is okay, that they can be a lover or beloved, but peer is also a saintly person, a godly person. So depending on what mood you're in, you can use the or listen to the song for both a devotional mood as well as a romantic mood. So what he's trying to say is जान बंदी हो, that मैं अपनी जान तुझ पे कुर्बान कर दूंगा, अपना body, अपने all my assets, मैं तुम पे कुर्बान करूंगा, my piro. Either you, like I said, either you can say I'm going to devote all this for my beloved, or you can say I'm going to devote all this to God. So whichever way, it's a nice song. There's a lot of rabab and santoor in the background, because Hassan Sofi was typically, he used to he was blind himself, but he used to play the harmonium very well, and he only had couple of accompaniments, which was the santoor and the rabab. So rabab has a typical music. If you hear, it's like it's a string instrument like sitar, but it's slightly different from the sitar. So it's
Wow.
got a typical background music. So let's listen to Jan Vandiyo Hab Pan Vandiyo Zutu Jan Vande Myani Piro.
From the land of Sufism,
The
Kashmir.
land of Kashmir. Yeah.
जानवंद यो खाब पान वंदियो जूत जान वंदयान पीरो तैरो जानवंद यो खाब पान वंदियो Zut Jan Vandayan Piro Teiro Jan Vandayo Tani go maraba ragan gayam tarai Tani go maraba ragan gayam tarai Zirbam thotham jiro teiro zirbam thotham jiro teiro janvandiyo
So we hope you everybody enjoyed with us this season of rain and romance. It was a beautiful journey today. So we will be taking your leave now, but we will be back next week, Friday, 8 p.m., same time, same place. Do join us for a mixed bag of more emotions, more song from Jammu and Kashmir in Dogri and Kashmiri. Now signing off, your RJ Lalit and
RJ Shafalika. See you next time. Bye.
good night.